Time for you to go.
They think I don't see.
This is the part where you fall down and bleed to death! A little bird told me that you've been asking around town about Glarthir, a resident eccentric. I'd like to know why. Let me give you some advice. Glarthir is crazy. So far, harmless crazy. But I keep an eye on him because it's my job to. You don't want to get involved with him. I don't care how much he's paying you, it isn't worth it. Like I said, he's crazy. Since you're courteous enough to tell the truth, I'll do the same by trusting you to talk to a guard if he asks you to do anything strange.